Hello students, in last video you all learned about Dalton atomic theory, postulates, atomic mass, molecular mass, formula mass, average atomic mass, mole concept and molar masses. Today in this video I am explaining about reactions in solutions. Let us see reactions in solutions. It is also called as concentrations in solutions. A majority of reactions in the laboratories are carried out in solutions. Therefore, it is important to understand as how the amount of substance is expressed when it is present in the form of a solution. The concentration of a solution or the amount of substance present in its given volume can be expressed in any of the following ways. See here, the concentration of a solution is expressed in 4 different ways as mass percent, mole fraction, molarity, molality. Before going to this term, you know about the meaning of the term solute, solvent and the solution. Solution is a mixture of both solute and the solvent. Solute example, take sugar, add the sugar into the water. Here water is act as a solvent, sugar is solute. Then it forms the sugar solution. Like that, take salt, then salt is added to the water, it forms the salt solution. This process is also called as the concentration. Concentration is the solute divided by the solvent. Solute which is going to be dissolved and solvent which dissolves the solute, then it forms the solution. Next, about mass percentage. Mass percentage is also called as mass percent. It is obtained by using the following relationship. The percentage of any element is equal to the mass of element divided by total mass of compound into 100. Or it is also expressed as mass percentage equal to the mass of the solute divided by mass of the solution into 100. Mass of the solute divided by mass of solution. Solution is combination of mass of the solute plus mass of the solvent into 100. Mass percent is used by any binary, is used only by binary solutions. It is used for calculation of very small quantities. Mole fraction. Mole means consider this one chamber as a A and this one as a B. This consisting of the solution of A means it's consisting of number of moles of Na and it consisting of number of moles of Nb. And mole fraction of A is expressed as Xa and mole fraction of B is expressed as Xb. Then mole fraction is defined as, it is defined as the ratio of number of moles of a particular component to the total number of moles of the solution. If a substance A dissolves in substance B, the number of moles are Na and the Nb. Then the mole fraction of A and B are calculated as mole fraction is equal to the Xa is equal to number of moles of Na divided by A component divided by number of moles of A plus B. So Xa is equal to Na divided by Na plus Nb. Then Xb is equal to Nb divided by Na plus Nb, because number of moles of B divided by number of moles of A and the B. Xa plus Xb is equal to the 1. Next, the term molarity. Molarity, it is the most widely used unit and it is denoted by capital M. It is defined as the number of moles of solute in 1 liter of the solution. Number of moles of solute. Here add the 1 liter of the, it forms the 1 liter of the solution. After adding solvent, it forms the 1 liter of the solution. Is called the molarity. The molarity is expressed in molarity is equal to the moles of solute divided by the volume of the solution in liter. And molarity of solution depends upon the temperature because volume of the solution increases in temperature and the molarity of solution decreases. Next, the term is molality. Molality is defined as the number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. It is denoted by small m. There, the 1 liter of the solution, here the 1 kg of the solvent. Please remember this. Molality is equal to moles of solute divided by mass of the solvent in kg. The x moles of the solute dissolved in n kg of the solvent. It is called the molality. Molality of solution does not change with temperature because mass is the same at any temperature. Here two main concentration terms of the solution, that is molarity and the molality. Let us see difference between these two, molarity and the molality. It is the most widely used unit and is denoted by capital M. It is defined as the number of moles in solute upon volume of solution in liters. It is defined as the number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of the solvent. Molarity is denoted by capital M. Molality is denoted by the small m. Molarity is the number of moles in solute divided by volume of solution in liters. But molality is the number of moles in solute divided by mass of the solvent in kg. Molarity is not preferred, but molality is preferred. Concepts in molarity. In some cases, to find the mass of a certain compound, volume of compound or mass of the second compound and volume of the second compound will be given. In that case, we can apply the formula as M1V1 is equal to M2V2. Here one problem related to molarity. What is the molarity of a solution containing 0.32 moles of NaCl in 3.4 liters? Molarity is equal to 0.32 moles of NaCl divided by 3.4 L. Means volume of the solution in liters. Molarity is equal to calculated by moles of solute. 0.32 moles of NaCl divided by volume of solution in liter 3.4 forms 0.094 molar solution of NaCl. Examples on molality. What is the molality of a solution consisting of 1.34 milliliter of carbon tetrachloride CCl4 and its density is about 1.59 gram per milliliter in 65 ml of methylene chloride CH2Cl2. Then density is equal to 1.33 gram per milliliter. Then moles of CCl4 is equal to 1.34 ml times of 1.59 gram per milliliter. This is equal to 2.1306 gram. Here mass is calculated by volume into density. Because volume is equal to mass by density, calculate mass is equal to volume into density. Here volume is 1.34 milliliter and given density is 1.59. So it forms the mass 2.1306 gram. Then after that 2.1306 gram divided by molar mass of the carbon tetrachloride. Molar mass is calculated by sum of atomic masses of the each element. CCl4 means add the atomic mass of carbon plus atomic mass of chlorine 35.5 into 4 means totally 12 plus 35.5 into 4 it forms 153.823 gram per mole. So totally it gives 1.013851 mole. Then calculate the mass of methylene chloride. 65 ml times of 1.33 gram per ml is equal to 86.45 gram. Here express this gram into kg, 0.08645 kg. Here molar mass is taken, here not, because it is a mass of the solute divided by volume of the solution in volume of the solvent in kg. Here 65.0 ml times of 1.33 means it gives in kg 0.08645 kg. Calculate the molality. Molality is equal to mass of the solute 1.013851 per mole. Volume of the solution in kg is 0.08645 kg. It forms the 0.160 molality.